Very good evening. You know that largest desert in the world is Sahara. This Sahara desertization happened so close to 10,000 years back. To desertization, the people in and around the particular locality responded in three ways. First group, what they have done is that they started moving along with the desertization to the interior parts. Over a period of time, close to 8,000 years later, still they remain in the Congo forest as the primitives or the primitives. Okay. The other group, what they have done is that they started to freeze. They did not move anything at all. So what happened to them? The desertization happened. They cannot cultivate anything, and finally they died. Still, we can see the bones and skulls of this huge number of people. But third category of people, what they have done is that they started fighting. They started fight positively. I can tell you that. What they have done is that they know that a river, largest or the longest river on earth, that is called the Nile River. Nile River. Nile River is flowing. They started building dams and started cultivation. They started irrigation, and that is the aftermath of, we can call it the largest civilization on earth. We call it as Egyptian civilization. See, to an issue, how people has responded, that is very, very important. Three categories of people are there. First category, what they have done is they just fly away. You call it as flight. Second category, they freeze. They cannot do anything. They did not do anything at all. Third category of people, they actually fight positively and they become history. So today we will discuss upon how we will cope up with the latest changes. As far as the changes is concerned, the most important word is called the adaptability. In the year 1962 in America, a low-lying place, one of the states, like our lower Kuttanad, it is called the Florida. One hurricane has totally lashed in and around this Florida. Its name is Hurricane Harry, if I'm right. And at that point of time, what happened is that almost all the trees, big trees, neem, all sorts of trees, they all fell down, devastated totally. But one tree, you cannot call even it as a tree, something like between a tree and a plant. It could survive the fury of this particular Hurricane Harry. You know that? Which one? Probably you may be knowing that. Do you know that? It is nothing but bamboo tree. How? It was made possible only because of the flexibility, or we call it as adaptability. We know that we are living in a totally different time now. Earlier, time has been bifurcated as AD or BC. Then it is called AG and BG, before Google and after Google. But now it is going to be BC and AC, before Corona and after Corona. After Corona, it is going to be totally a paradigm shift. Or we can say that it is something like a disruption is going to happen. Today our esteemed VPM of sent me a video. It says that it is going to be a totally a different world. Already changes has already happened. You know that the largest taxi service provider, they don't need any car like Ola and Uber. The largest bus provider, Red Bus, they don't have even a single bus. Largest suppliers like Amazon and Alibaba, they don't need to have a building of its own. Largest bank, Paytm, they did not have any building at all. So that was the case so far. Now, from now onwards, is going to be total disruption. Our lifestyle is going to change. Our social distancing is going to be a part of our lifestyle. How many of us to go back to the factory or office and to work is not, it is totally unclear. Maybe 50% of the people may be required. Remaining people can work at home. Our hygiene is going to be different. We will have the food, probably 90% of the people will have the food only from inside. People will not rely upon the food from outside. Our tour and travel plan is going to be totally changed. Our family time is already increased. Internet usage and the digitalization is going to be, it is going to be increased further. So what I'm trying to tell you is that this is the way that changes are happening. My question is, are you coping with the latest situation? One thing is, I said adaptability. So my catchword today is adapt to the latest. Alone will not help you. Adapt to the latest first. So who will do the things first? That will make a big difference. Before that, I will just explain using 3-4 scooters. One is Vijay Super Lambretta. Then I can say that it is Vespa. Another one is called the Bajaj. How they changed, how they cope up with the changes. First one I said, what you call Vijay Super and the Lambretta. They are not at all ready for any change. It is totally perished. In this category, you can add maybe like Western TV, Dianora TVs, or even Nokia's, Ambassadors. They did not change at all and they totally perished. Second category is that like Vespa, it moved from scooter to the bike on a later stage and it is slightly somehow it is surviving. But another category of companies are they immediately changed something like the Bajaj. Bajaj was a scooter. They have realized that the scooter market is going to be down because for the long distance and all, small rim tires that will not help. So went into bikes. From bike, it was a 100cc bikes. That time Yamaha RX100 was a top one. Now it is not there because it is not changed. Whereas Bajaj type of companies, they moved to the 4-stroke engines. Now the world's largest two-wheeler makers are Bajaj. One of the two, other than maybe Honda. So in this category, we can add little more companies like ITC. ITC was into another sort of business. They were totally into tobacco business. They totally changed. Mahindra and Mahindra. They were only into Jeep sort of businesses. Now they are spread their wings into almost all the categories. So the question is not only the adaptability, who will change the first. You think about what you call Usain Bolt. We all knows about Usain Bolt, but along with Usain Bolt, 2 other people also run. Most importantly, Asafa Powell and Tiger Gay. The difference between Usain Bolt and the Tiger Gay and Asafa Powell is only maybe fraction of a millisecond. But now people only remember about Usain Bolt. So my humble request is that we have to change it, no other way. But who will change the first? So that is why I said, so today's sentence is that adapt to the latest first. That is going to be the catchword. Now, how, who, when? That is a big question. I can tell you one example, one story. One boy, he was totally restless child. He was totally disturbing his parents. His father, one evening he approached his father and said, "Daddy, come and play with me." Then he said, "I am doing something very serious. I cannot come and play with you." This boy keep on pestering and disturbing him. Then what happened is that Daddy, his father, teared a paper from the magazine. On the magazine, backside of the magazine, there was a picture of the map. Around 200 countries, picture was there on that one side. He teared into many pieces and he gave it to his son. For what? At least he thought that at least this guy will be silent for some time, rest for some time. But what happened, in 3 minutes, 4 minutes, he finished the task and came and told Daddy, "Daddy, I made everything ready." Daddy is totally perplexed. He's wondering how this guy has made. Even we don't know where these different countries are there. You don't know. Somehow we may knowing now that on our left-hand side we have the Middle East countries, then the other side you have the European countries. If you go to the southern side, Sri Lanka, then Singapore, Australia. Now only we know that. How this small child knows that, all these countries and how he made everything in order. Just totally a different task, Then he checked up, he asked this boy, "How do you do that?" Then the boy said that. And the other part of that paper, or that sheet, there was a picture of a man. What I have done is that I made that man in proper order. Okay? You got the word? You got the story? You got the meaning of the story? What is the meaning that? If a man, if a human being, even if a single person, he is ready for changes, he is ready for adaptability, he is ready for adaptable to the latest first, the entire world can be changed. And this is what is exactly required at this juncture of crisis. And that change has to come from within, number one, and also you have to do it at the quickest. Only then only we can catch up to the latest. So the catchword is that adapt to the latest first. Okay, thank you. We'll